Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple design in Adobe Illustrator and use that particular design to create multiple products in Redbubble and sell it online there. It's very simple. You can actually create a design in any platform, not Illustrator. It can be Photoshop or it can be your hand-drawn, and then you have to convert them, you have to save them as an PNG, upload that particular PNG, adjust the settings and do it. So the products which you are seeing here, I have actually created a simple line work in Adobe Illustrator and I have imported the PNG file here and created all of these products. I'll show you how you can do this very quickly under 15 minutes in Redbubble. Let's begin. Okay, this is a simple line work. I did it in Illustrator. Each one of them is an individual path. Okay, so what I did, so I took a brush, okay, I just scribbled something, okay, and then if you want to fine tune it, for example, let me zoom in, take the smooth tool. If you don't find it, you just click here and you will find it under draw tab. So you just simply drag and drop here, okay. So take the smooth tool, just simply go on, scrub over, that's it. So it will actually clean the path, it will make it much more smoother. Okay, so like this I have made this text, enjoy, okay, and then I made two circles and each one of them I filled it with a different gradient color, okay. It's a very simple gradient. So now what I'll do, let me select both of them, let me copy it, select both of them, go to object, blend, make. So it is blending between these two colors. So go to the blend tool again, okay. If you don't find the blend tool, you can actually find it from here, okay. So go to the blend tool, increase the number of steps, let's say 400, okay, preview it. So it has given you a smooth gradient, okay, from red to orange or yellow, whatever it is. So let me make 6 of these. Okay, so select the first one, select one of them, go to object, go to blend again. Now select replace spline. That's it. Again, select the another one, select one of the gradient, go to blend, replace spline. That's it. Do the same thing for all the other. That's all. So now if you want to change any of the effects, so simply go ahead and select one of them, select the two shapes. It is actually blending between those two shapes. So select one of them and you change the order. So let's say you select this and arrange and send to back. So that has gone back and this has become front. So you can play with the effect. Okay, let's say if you want to change this, select this, arrange, send to back. It's already back, so let's select this one, so arrange, send to back. That's it. You see here, that's all. So now what we will do, we will export it as a PNG. Done. Now come to Redbubble. I have already logged in. So go here and click add new work. Upload a new work. Select the PNG. Okay. So it has uploaded. Now go to the title. So title is something where let's look at this. See, these are the products. Tomato Mountain, Innovation, Flower of Life, Holding On, something like that. So whatever the title you want to give for the product. So let's say more lifting design. I'm just giving it as a simple title. Tags, we will come back to it. Okay, so now these are the products which has already been built by the Redbubble. So select them and position this. You can actually vertically center it, horizontally center it. Okay, apply changes. That's it. The first product is done. Now select the second product and position it. Now this also has not only color option, it also has some pre-built designs. So you can select whatever the design you want, okay, and select the color, okay, apply changes. Now for the hat, enable it, maybe change the scale, yes, okay, position it, apply changes, leave it to the same color. Now there are a lot of chiffon tops, graphic t-shirt, if you want to keep it. So this is up to you whether you want to sell these products on this. So let's say graphic t-shirt dresses, you can actually, there are some patterns as well. You can change the pattern, regular grid or offset grid. Let's keep it no pattern. Okay, you can change this background colors as well. Okay, and in the settings, I will come back to the settings part later. Okay, you can actually give your price markup. Basically it is 20%, whatever the markup you want to keep. Okay, apply. Now A-line dresses, stickers and magnets. So let's say if you want to enable this, so apply changes. Then phone cases. Okay, so let's reposition this, maybe scale it. So each one of the product, they have a separate control, so you can actually do as you like. Okay, discs mat, mouse pads, pillows. So maybe let's change the pillow size a little bit. Yes, okay. So you fit within that. It's very self-explanatory, so you don't have to worry about it. So it's up to us whether we want all the products. Do we want to have a shower curtains, dog mats, cat mats, cups, travel mugs, and the skins, tablet skins, clocks. Okay, so water bottles, bath mats, and pin buttons. Very nice products. These are the products which are already built. So it's up to us. So apron, floor pillows, and there are some additional products as well. Let's say backpacks. Select the backpacks, and if you go and select here, they give you the seams actually. So wherever you want to have the seam marks, so you can position it. Now in the media, let me select design and illustration and digital art, and collections. If you want to create your own collections, you can create it. Is this a mature content? No. Correct. I have written terms and conditions. So basically these are all the products, like water bottles, so magnets to paper cups and everything. So the tags, we need to give tags accordingly. So tags are very important. So tags is something where people will actually search for it. So when someone is coming to Redbubble and trying to search for some product, tags are very, very important. So whatever we give on the tags, that's how the product is being searched in Redbubble. Okay. And the description, let's give some description. You can actually stuff with a lot of keywords here, but don't overdo it. Just keep it very simple, and I'm not stuffing any keywords here. I'm just giving a plain blank description. So basically title, tags, and description, and the products are built. So you adjust the product and you just go ahead and change the color, select the design and whatever the products you want to do. And if you want to change any of the pricing pattern, for example, this particular design, let's say these 3 items, I want to give different prices or different color. So go to the setting here. Each product you can give your own markup. So some of them could be 10%, some of them could be 12%, some of them could be 20%. By default, they have 20%. So keep the 20% on, and that's it. Save the work. So the work is done. Now congratulations, this might take up to 15 minutes to appear. That's it. So look at this, that's the title which we have given. Look at the products which it has built. Wow, all of these products are built less than 10-15 minutes. So basically you go ahead and create some artwork. It doesn't matter whether it is Illustrator or Photoshop or even your hand drawing. Get them as a PNG file, upload it on Redbubble. Select your products wherever you want to sell. If you want to sell only t-shirt, you can actually do only t-shirt. So it's up to us. Enable and disable, and they will sell it for us. That's it. That's all. This is a very easiest way to make make your own design and sell it online. This is a good platform, one of the good platforms. So basically what we did, we made a simple line work and created a gradient and finished it. That's it for now. I hope this was very helpful. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would give me a motivation to do more videos. And if you specifically want to know any trick, kindly do let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to make a video. Thanks for watching.